ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Nongbah ke Jilla Ukanra Kongkal Sangma haga jinglang kebelalong Susotham Auditorium Shillong haga kat projek unaitung arajar Pausau ula play Paidbah ya ke jing Pyni Paidbah ke Durand Cup trophy nak bentak ke lempung ilek kai football Durand Cup arajar Pausau ke Shillong haga sin ke basis palai polai haga ni sengi la sakhilang do Menteri ke Transport and Youth Affair uba Shakler Wajri u Air Marshal ke Eastern Air Command u SP Dharkar Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik nak 101 area GOC Bengal Sub Area u Vice Chairman DCOC u Major General Rajesh A Mughe u ADG NCC u Major General Gagandeep ber Additional Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jilla u Dr. Shakil Ahmed Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik retho bakin dutli kijingya khun janggal lempong ele kai Durand Cup kanselong Nongbah Shillong hagasin ke beningkong ke belong kum shibenta ban kentiu ya kijing ele kai football hakani ke Jilla Meghalaya Nalor ki kinho ni lekai beper jangkri India kin sadan ru ki kinho ni lekai negeri Nepal bat negeri Bangladesh ki benishim bentalang hakani ke lempong ni lekai Kejing khon ke bansalong ha GN Stadium kan salong pedeng ke Shillong Lajong Football Club persha ikitri Buven Army Football Club hak atrik unailar arajar Pausau hak puasa waje janmen
This is one of the oldest football tournaments in Asia. And it is in fact the oldest football tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest national competition in the world. That's how far and long and history that the Durand Cup and the Durand Trophy and the tournament has. So we are very, very privileged and very honored and very happy that this is being hosted, and one of the host cities is here in Shillong. And let me assure our officials from the armed forces that whatever support is required, which we have been doing in the past, and even for the future, that we will be there to ensure that we leave no stone unturned to make sure that this tournament is a great success. For us, as a government, we have always focused on what we call a stakeholder approach in terms of development and policy making, which means we don't focus on schemes, but we focus on the beneficiary and the stakeholder for who the scheme is meant. Which means that rather than looking at the implementation of a scheme or a program, it is more important for us that what is the outcome of that scheme to that beneficiary and the stakeholder for whom this particular scheme is meant. And that change in the mindset of how we as a government look at when it comes to development and comes to stakeholder approach programs, it completely changes the dynamics of how you perform. Because now the youth is at the center of what we do. The schemes are revolving around it. The programs are revolving around you, which is the youth of our state. And hence, when we realized that we need to work towards ensuring that the youth require the support in sports, a lot of programs started coming out. You'll be happy to know that in the last 6 years, we have committed close to 1,000 crores in terms of infrastructure investment, in terms of stadiums and different sports infrastructures in the state in the last 6 years. This is almost close to 40% of what has been spent in the last 50 years. Therefore, a huge impetus and huge stress is laid on sports and the infrastructure as a whole.
Durand Trophies, the President's Cup presented by the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Srimati R.M. Kurba, and of course, last but not the least,
as a state and as a state government, we are extremely proud and extremely happy that the armed forces have selected Shillong also to be one of the venues. And we've been working very hard for this. The sports department has been working very hard. Our Honorable Minister has been working very hard. And we're very happy that we are finally prepared and ready now to host this particular tournament here as one of the venues here in Shillong. As you know, that the Durand Cup is the oldest tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest tournament in the entire world. And therefore it is very meaningful for us. It is also an opportunity here where we will see the armed forces and the government and the public, all of us coming together, showing our love for football, showing our love for sports, and also giving a very strong message of integration and love for the nation. And therefore this is a very, very important and a meaningful tournament. We are very happy that the unveiling of the trophies took place today. We'll be having a large number of matches out here. I urge the citizens of our state who are naturally football lovers that please come in large numbers to witness these tournaments, these matches, because there will be very, very experienced clubs from different parts of the country and different parts of the region, even international clubs and teams will be coming from different parts of Nepal and other parts of the world also to participate in this tournament out here in Shillong. So I urge our citizens also to come out in large numbers and support their favorite club. So I once again thank the armed forces and once again thank the sports department for having worked so hard to finally come to this point. As you all know, the first match will be on the 2nd of August, and that is the day when officially the tournament will be kicked off here in the state of Meghalaya in Shillong.
It's a proud privilege for the Eastern Command to be hosting the legendary football Durand Cup, and we have been doing it since 2019. And you have helped us, that the footballers and the footballing fraternity helped us grow from 2019 till now. The tournament has made its footprint in Meghalaya for the first time, and it's not just because of the passion which is there amongst the people of Meghalaya, but also the huge amount of enthusiasm which you've had from the government of Meghalaya and steered by Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Sports Minister, and all the other dignitaries of the state government. So on behalf of our Army Commander and the patron of Durand Cup Organizing Committee, Lieutenant General R.C. Tiwari, Uttam Yuddha Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, we, that is from the DCOC, Durand Cup Organizing Committee, we would like to take on record our gratitude to the state government. As you're all aware, you've seen a couple of movies now. The Durand Cup is not just a tournament, it's a legacy. And we have managed to rekindle the association of the Durand Cup with the President of India on the 10th of this month, where Honorable President accepted our offer of unveiling and flagging out the trophy to all over the country. So besides the objective of promoting sports, the armed forces, our long-term vision also includes improving civil-military relations. And Durand Cup is one of the finest examples where the Indian Army joins hands with the stakeholders, we are all here, in successfully conducting the tournament. The Cup has evolved, and I'm talking especially in the past 5 years, it has evolved from 12 to 16 teams and a single city event to now a 24-team, 4-state extravaganza. There are 24 teams participating, as you all know. The top of the line ISL teams, all 13 of them are participating. We have got a couple of teams from the I-League, that is the India League, that is the B string of our nation. We have the 3 services teams of India, Army, Navy and Air Force. We have 2 CAPF teams, the CISF and the BSF. And we have from the neighboring region, the Nepal Army team, which is the Tribhuvan Army, which shall be playing matches here, as well as the Bangladesh Armed Forces team, which is slotted in the pool, which is in Jamshedpur. So besides these, we have also taken effort to give boost to local talent, and hence we have got 2 local teams from that is Downtown Heroes from Kashmir and Bodoland Football Club from Assam. So 24 teams have been divided into 6 pools. Each pool has got 4. There are 3 pools which are located in Calcutta. They will be playing their pool matches within Calcutta. And of course, 1 pool each is at Jamshedpur, Shillong and at Kokrajhar. After the pool matches, which are 36 in number, thereafter we shall move on to the knockout stage, wherein there will be 4 quarterfinals between 8 teams. So from 6 pools, we'll take out 8 teams, that's 6 winners and 2 best losers. Comprising of these 8, they will fight it out for the semi-finals, and thereafter would be 2 semi-finals and then the finals. The finals is scheduled on 31st of August in Kolkata. Well, once again, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the Minister of Sports and the entire state administration for their continuous support and for smooth conduct of the Durand Cup, as well as thank the splendid state of Meghalaya for doing so. I also want to thank all the other agencies which are involved in this conduct, whether it is sponsors who are great supporters. That is why Durand Cup happens, and they've been continuously supporting us. And I will also take on some place on record the phenomenal amount of helpmanship which has been done by 101 area and the GOC 101 area Lieutenant General Sanjay Parikh, who's sitting right beside me, and they have helped us reach out in a positive manner with the state of Meghalaya and make this tournament possible.